Hey guys, this is at home, 5964 Poplar Tree Street. Beautiful curb appeal, nice trees, great landscaping, good shape. Not much to do on this home to make it a beautiful, stunning house. This is a view of the street. It looks like there's about 10 homes on the street on this side. To the left is the property, and a couple of homes on this side to the right of the property. So really private, very quiet. I can hear the birds, so I like it. Well, let's go take a look inside. Okay, we're gonna go take a tour of the house. I'm gonna start outside first and then work our way back in. I wanna do this now and get my face on the screen, because once I get outside, my glasses will turn dark and it looks like I'm wearing shades and sunglasses indoors. It's cool for some people. I can't rock it. Give you an idea what's going on. Outside first, inside later. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Aloha. Okay, I like the stonework. That adds some appeal to the home. Creates nice curb appeal. You could probably replace the door here. I would, just to, give it something different, make it pop. So as you walk in here, you have the living area straight ahead. A little divider wall. Step up into the dining area. It's kind of redundant, but hey, some people make use of it. So it's a large space. I'll put the measurements here. So again, the living area, front door, vaulted ceiling, very high. So this is a lot of natural light coming into this room. And again, this is the dining room. So let's take a step back here. So dining area, living area. Now, before we continue on, as you enter, to the right is a bedroom, good sized bedroom, okay? And this is the laundry room facility, garage straight ahead, 2-car garage. But you can see the size of this bedroom. It's really big. I'll put the dimensions on here as well. With a large closet, 3/4 bath. It has a shower, tub, and a sink. And storage underneath the stairway, which is pretty standard here in Las Vegas for all homes. And right back into the living area. So the kitchen to the left, really nice. I probably would pop that island out a bit, make it more efficient, more useful. Large pantry, space for your refrigerator. Appliances need to be upgraded. Cabinets need to be upgraded. Sink needs to be upgraded. But you got that window that looks out into the backyard. That's nice. And the sliding doors that go into the backyard. We'll take a look at that next. And this is the family room. Step down into the family area. So you can see good size, usable space. You can be cooking, entertaining, talking story, enjoying each other's company. Now let's take a look outside before we go upstairs. Okay, look at this. Love the outdoor patio. Barbecue area. Good landscaping. All mature, grown in trees and palm trees. If you're coming to Las Vegas, you want a house with palm trees. And look at all that. And of course you need a house with a pool. Now, I thought there was a spa, but it's not. It's just basically a seating area. Looks like you could put a umbrella right there. Got some tiled honus or turtles in the pool. Nice, cute design. Maintenance area. But you can see, really nice. Now, you do hear some of the noise coming from there because the freeway's nearby. But hey, who cares? Side of the home. And the exterior of the home. Let's take a step back here, get a better view of the exterior of the home, and get an idea of what you can do with this. So that's a really nice covered patio area. So it makes it useful. Add some misters. That becomes very usable during the hot summers here in Las Vegas. But really nice to have a pool right outside your door. And you got this grassy area for your pets, or you can sunbathe here, whatever you want to do. Let's go back inside. Okay, so that was outside. That's the bottom floor. Let's go upstairs. Now, this is showing its age. The pine railings, the wrought iron spindles, the pine flooring, easy upgrades. But let's get upstairs. you have this nice little, loft. Easy to convert this to an office, a classroom, or just another family space. Show you it as a master bedroom. We'll save that for last. But you can see from this vantage point, the dining area, living, front door, kitchen. So easy to get people's attention in this house. Built-in desk here. Now the bedrooms up here are kind of small. This one here, I will put the dimensions here up on the screen, but it does have a walk-in closet. It faces the front of the house. Small, tight hallway, linen closet, another bedroom here. Again, not big, but usable. Closet, and bathroom upstairs. So dual vanities. Could use some upgrades here. Easy fixes. Shower, toilet. So that looks like it's in good shape. Let's go on to the master. So the master, as you can see some of the shading there. Does need a paint job, definitely. Looks like a bed was there. Some pictures there. Things going on here in this bedroom. A lot of sprucing up necessary to make this, move-in ready. Double doors, I'd get rid of that. Who needs double doors in a master bedroom? Walk into the bathroom area. So here is a walk-in closet, good size. His and hers. There's another closet. And let's see, we got a shower and a soaking tub. Okay, so that's nice to have. And you got corner windows overlooking the street in the back there. Dual vanities, easy upgrades for this bathroom. And the throne room. Okay. Of course, another closet area. So you got a lot of storage space in this home. I like that. So you're never gonna run out of closet space. Large master bedroom, I'll put the dimensions up on there as well. Good sized loft, maybe a seating area for the master bedroom if you wanted to do so. And you got that separation of space, 2 bedrooms there, loft, master, then of course downstairs, that way another full bedroom and a bath. So there you have it, friends. Not a bad looking home. Let's get back downstairs. I like it. Priced at $449. Obviously, one of the bigger fixes would be the stairway if you really wanted to update it. Maybe the flooring throughout. Gas fireplace, replace that. Get something a little bit more sleek and modern. Definitely redo the kitchen. And give you an idea what other homes are going for in this neighborhood so you can get an idea as to whether or not making these upgrades would be worth the investment. Large area, not big fan of this space because it's kind of redundant. You got that space there, which is living. Who's gonna go sit there? Maybe read, I don't know. And then you come into here, you have this dining area, large dining. And then you have that sort of dining area. There you have it, folks. Again, this home is listed at $449,000, sits on 2,678 square feet of living space on a lot size of 6,534 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath home, 3 and 2 upstairs, 2 and 1 and 1 downstairs, living, family, dining, and the must-have in Las Vegas, a swimming pool with a covered patio. Can't beat it.